guys, good morning from the sharpening bench. Wanted to share a new product with you. And no, it's not the TSPROF Blitz 360 or the TRM Atom, although both of those things are outstanding. What I wanted to talk to you about is how to get a mirror edge on your knife using the Blitz 360. My original sharpener I started out with was a KME. And one of the KME's absolute killer strong suits is that it comes with a lapping film kit that you can buy. And as you can see, you can take it all the way to 160,000 grits. And the results are stunning. What you got is little lapping films and glass blanks. And for about 10-12 years now, I was super excited to use these lapping films. They're both durable and have a diamond abrasive on there, which gives you a wicked sharp finish. Long story short, though, I moved on to the Blitz 360, and the big negative to doing that was, all I had was my stones. And that's not necessarily a bad thing because the stones available are very good. This is a 1200 grit Veneve Orion stone, and I can get a near mirror polish with this stone. Typically, when I'm sharpening with my Blitz 360, I use a 4-stone progression. I start out with 240. Then I hit it with the 400, then the 800, and then the 1200. And that, for the longest time, was the end of the road. For about 2 years, I had to deal with just the 1200 grit being the end of the line. Now, to their credit, Edge Pro actually does make lapping films and the blanks. Problem being, they use a silica carbide abrasive, which is not as good as the diamond film. And more importantly, their films would tear. And I would get 1 to 3 knives into the sharpening, and I would put a cut right down the front or down the side with the point of the knife. Super easy to cut the Edge Pro ones. So anyway, I had been talking to George over at STATES LLC for quite some time about my, woes. And I know, first world problems, right? Oh boy, no lapping film. And long story short, George over at STATES tracked down the folks that make the film for KME. So I was able to get the very high performance KME film, which is a diamond abrasive on a very durable plastic substrate. And he delivered it to us in the larger format, the 1x6 format. So what I was able to get was a kit that would take you all the way from 2000 grit all the way up to 46,000 grit, and get it in the 1x5 format once again. The beauty of what I've got here is my sharpening stones. All right, these stones are all 0.247 to 0.2489, like they're within a thousandth of each other. The blanks that are made by Edge Pro are about the same thickness. It's 0.244 to 0.247 and extremely flat. Now when you take the stones and you line them up like so, you can see that they're within a couple of thousandths of the same thickness. Now why does that matter? There's actually a really good reason. When I'm setting the angle with my system, if the stones are consistently the same thickness, I don't have to adjust the dial to get my edge to be perfect. And it's a one-stop thing. So once again, I'm very excited that George over at States took the time to source these. He's selling them in a kit. It's $99 for 6 different progressions of lapping film, all the way from a 3000 grit to the 46,000 grit, and they come with an aluminum backer. The aluminum backer that they sell at States is identical to the stones that they sell at States in terms of thickness. So if you're using the States LLC / TSPROF diamond stones, they're going to be the same thickness, and that will work out for you. If, like me, you have the Feneve Orion series stones that are available from Gritomatic, then you're going to want to go and buy the Edge Pro blanks, which are identical in their thickness. And so, you know, this really was a super big upgrade for me in terms of my sharpening system. And very happy to have the lapping films now available. And I no longer have to lament over the fact that I was putting better edges on my knives with my KME. That was a real bummer. So once again, if you are interested in getting these lapping films, you can get them from statesllc.com. I'll put the website link in the description. I'll also put a link to Edge Pro so that you can find the blanks in the event that you're working with the Gritomatic stones, which a lot of the folks that are using the TSPROF system are probably using these stones. I don't have any affiliation with George other than I see him once a year at Blade Show, and we talk shop about what's coming down the pipe with sharpening supplies. But anyway, once again, this is a big deal, and for $100 you can really upgrade your edges. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Also, like and subscribe. I've got 22 viewers or subscribers, but I guess you got to start somewhere. Thanks. Bye-bye.